of the Philippine Manufacturing Week 2026, the ultimate event for manufacturing technology and innovation advancement.
3, 2, and 1. The Philippine Manufacturing Week 2026 is now officially open.
This is why exhibition like this matters. PDMX is not simply a display of machineries. It is a marketplace for ideas, where small shops from the provinces meets technology provider from abroad, where a student glimpses the career ahead of him, and where a foreign delegate discovers why Philippines is a serious, reliable manufacturing partner.
We are gathered here today to witness the official opening of 2 groundbreaking exhibitions that will shape the future of Philippine manufacturing. Your presence here today reflects your commitment to excellence, innovation, and the growth of the manufacturing and automotive industry.